I think you lied on your resume. There ain't nothing feral about you. But I'm crazy as hell, so I'm gonna do something crazy as hell with it. See if I can get $4,000 for it. And now you're gonna have to watch my video to see if I'm crazy enough to pull it off. This is Jubilee, our latest foster. She was living with a lady in a homeless encampment here in Texas, and the lady passed away. So we were able to get her out of there. As you can see, she needs a lot of medical attention. She's heartworm positive, which really sucks, but we'll have her on medication for the next 8 months and we'll get her better. She can still be adopted out. They just have to maintain her medication. And as you see, she's got cauliflower ear. It's all scabbed up. I think she had really bad ear infections, been scratching at it for a long time. So they're in pretty rough shape, and she's of course way underweight. So, but we'll get her back in good shape. She's in a good place now. Super sweet girl. So I picked this up at a house. They were getting rid of all the furniture in the house. I went over there, grabbed anything up that I thought that I could do something with. This looks to be a good solid dresser. It looks like most of it is solid wood, which is really great. Now we could go old school with it, sand it down, throw some paint on it, change the hardware, maybe get $400 or $500 for it. Or we could do the crazy thing and see if we can get $4,000 for it. But I'm crazy as hell, so I'm gonna do something crazy as hell with it. What do you think, Colossus? Can we get $4,000 for this? Huh? Maybe? What about you, Tank? You're supposed to be crazy feral. Be my mouse sheriff. Look here, loving up on the dogs, loving up on everybody. You lied on your resume. You're no feral cat. I don't think you're feral. I think you lied on your resume. There ain't nothing feral about you. Does anyone have an idea what this possibly could have been used for? I've been racking my brain and can't come up with anything. It's just like a little 1/8 inch lip, but I can't possibly think of what you would set down in there. Unless it's like a passport, but then it would stick out the, I don't know. But maybe one of y'all know or have a better idea. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Now y'all normally see me use my 90-degree bit that goes on my drill to get these drawer tracks out, but this dresser's from 1972, so it has these really fragile flathead screws that can strip really easy. So I'm just going to keep it simple and use a flathead screwdriver and take it out. Now, when disassembling one of these antique dressers, you have to have a very delicate touch.
say hi to Dean. Oh, stretch it out. Say hi to Dean. Oh, well, I think that was a very good hi. Oh my goodness. Look at how shiny you are in the video. You're so pretty and shiny. Look at the little nubbins. Can you tell Mr. Dean hi? And say, thank you for rescuing me. Yeah, thank you for rescuing me. You were the best thing that happened. And now I found my family.